how to contact you for non-basmati rice export from Kolkata to Southeast Asian countries. Very important point in this is our number is available everywhere. You can Google us, you can go to our website. 8317749274 is our WhatsApp number. But in this question, the most important thing that to note is somebody asked from Kolkata to Southeast Asian countries. So now Kolkata and Southeast Asian countries are in very close in proximity. But at the same time, I don't know for what reason, the OFCs, the ocean freights from Kolkata to Southeast Asian countries are normally high compared to say from Chennai or Vizag. But having said that, Kolkata has Swarna rice, which is very much needed for Southeast Asian countries. Kolkata has long grain IR64 kind of rice, which is needed for Southeast Asian countries. Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, these are the countries which just love Indian rice, which is short grain and long grain, especially from Kolkata, Vizag, Chennai, all the east coast, right? So Kolkata is a very strategic place. Burdwan, Kolkata, this whole region produces rice, which is very much required for Southeast Asian countries. Happy exporting.